Hola, Mrs. Bass here with instructions for today. Today you are going to start with your actividad inicial. The actividad inicial says order of sentences. Put the following sentences in order in the space provided below. So you remember you had to put the subject first, then the verb, then the indefinite article, then the noun, and then the adjective. So you're going to get each one of those parts, you're going to find it here and put them in order, and then you're going to type them right here in the space provided right here in the text entry box. Then the introduction to the chapter 2A. Chapter 2A. You're going to start today. I have a video right here that you need to watch about what we're going to see in this chapter. Then you have the notes for the subject pronouns that you need to copy in your notebook. And then you have a practice right here. You're going to watch this other video about the conjugations of AR verbs. And then you have the notes for that too. You have the grammar video and the notes for this. And then you have an Ed puzzle. So you go to the Ed puzzle, you watch the video, and you answer the questions based on what you have learned here and watch here. Actually, let me just check. Yeah, it does have some questions. So you just need to complete based on what you learned with these notes and these prior Gramactiva videos. And then I put a song here for you to play that has the endings of the verb. It will make more sense once you copy their notes and watch the videos. You have two practices right here, and here's your new vocabulary. Vocabulary 4, and then the slides for the new vocabulary. Is the vocabulary that we're seeing here is related to the school and the classes in the school. So that's what you have here. You can learn your vocabulary. All right. So that's what you're doing today, and we'll be connected. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. I'll see you later.